Yilmazogullari milling machinery was established in 1984 to manufacture the milling machines and apparatus for wheat and corn production facilities, and now forges ahead to become a worldwide known brand with its strong financial structure, its professional viewpoint, and its vision to keep up with the times. Yilmazogullari family maintained a steady growth after its establishment date with its customers, suppliers, employees and managers, and achieved an esteemed and trustable image based on its technology, knowledge, corporate structure and sustainable financial successes. At the point reached today, the hardest projects have easily been put into effect at its facilities that have been equipped with high technology machinery in an area of 12,000 square meters in Konya Organized Industrial Site. Yilmazogullari puts the human and absolute customer satisfaction at the start point of its business and makes the plans of its activities based on the philosophy of total quality management. The quality is accepted to be the start point of all procedures and not as a result of all activities. Hence, all procedures are professionally managed, beginning from the raw material procurement to the sales and the sales after services by properly connecting all quality rings. As a result of this approach, the standardization is intercepted and the quality control procedures of all machinery have been precisely executed and secured by experienced technical staff. Yilmazogullari puts its difference by its patented products based on its research and development investments, and has become one of the movers and shakers by registering its trust with its production and quality control certificates. Besides that, it satisfies its customers with its guaranteed products and rapid establishment services of all its products. It is also another source of pride for Yilmazogullari to be remembered as a business partner, as well as being a company that serves with trust, quality, rapid delivery and appropriate prices. Furthermore, it is one of the leading exporters with its projects and applications in many countries throughout the world. Yilmazogullari has adopted its technological investments, modern management concepts, and 100% customer satisfaction in every stage of its production procedures as a principle, and have had justified pride of establishing timely and trouble-free projects with its experienced team. Yilmazogullari makes the plans of sustaining its services in the future with the happiness of its customers based on experience and success of more than 30 years. In the hope of reaching greater objects with you, Yilmazogullari Milling Machines.